one of the things I've learned about paragliding is that when the wind is strong and you're having that gut feeling like I should fly, keep the paraglider in the bag. And in my case, I think it's safer to keep not only the paraglider in the bag, but the paraglider pilot inside the bag. That way, there's no chance that anybody's going to do any flying until the wind's right. Hey!
I'm gonna get your leg! I'm coming up!
The kid's a ham.
This is hay, and hay is for horses. It's also for me to throw in the air. This is the infinite PLF.
And I'm still rolling. I'm still rolling.